When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body was unpolite, done be in the humble life. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. All the hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memory. I've never made it mine.
Just the smoking everything.
Ladies is pimps tonight, living inside a dream. I slay where the love is wide. I put that on my own. I know these niggas mad as fuck. Bitch, I'm in a trap with T and we throw it up. Fall while my niggas throw it up. Every time I took good sense, I might just throw it up.
Okay, I'm gonna make this very quick with them playing this music. Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video with yours truly, Bree. And it's my birthday, yeah, it's my birthday, big 21. So right now, me and Lauren, she's fixing herself up. We're at the Rockstar, we're waiting for everybody else to get here. We're about to take some more, actually take some pictures while we wait. But yeah, I like the nature, I'm a little bit behind and I'm kind of pissed off, but I'll talk about that later on. I don't want that to ruin my mood. But this is the makeup, y'all see the hair, and this is the fit. I'm going to take some pictures and I'm gonna put them on the phone so y'all can see the full fit. But yeah, we're here, just waited to be seated, and yeah, let me get up out of here because this music is going to get me copyrighted. Say hello.
Hey y'all.
Yeah, so we're here. Big time.
Don't ask us for no IDs, don't ask us for nothing.
Ever again.
We don't gotta give it.
We don't. We're legal.
We're legal.
Alright, so yeah, we about to take our pictures. Guys. That's not Lauren no more. This is Ruby Lou.
Yeah, this is Ruby. This is Lola. This is giving. this is Jessica.
Alright, bye y'all. Say cheese!
Cheese.
Okay y'all, so they're here. Say hey y'all. Hold up. Cause they look cute. They both look cute. Well, y'all can't stand up. Y'all see y'all they fix me when we step out, but they look cute. They look cute. Alright, so we ready to start ordering. Thank you. Say hey to my vlog. Okay, yo. Wait, what drink y'all got?
That's the letter.
What drink you got?
Red Daisy.
What drink you think you gonna get?
He's offering. I just got it.
Alright. And I got an espresso martini with Hennessy. Look at it. It's so cute.
And it's thick. Make sure you catch that too.
She's a fucking hater. You ate anything today? Damn, so I'm the only one who ate my you ate? You ate something today? Or that was earlier? Yeah, so we the only ones that ate. Y'all had, no, we had a sample. This bitch had dreams and aspirations, and I had 2 wings and fries when I was getting my feet done. That was at, what was that supposed to be 11 or 12? Yeah. We the only smart ones. Thank you. Oh, it's great. Look at this good. Yeah, let's give it a taste test.
He says it's, I forgot. But he said it changed your life.
Alright, let's see if this bitch changed my life.
Is it good?
I don't know if I should get this. This is a sample. Like I said, I'm not posting up in the social media. But I put this one. This one from the side.
Now you want some girl?
Yeah.
Girl?
This one.
Hold on. It's actually good.
This one.
I like that sauce.
Yeah, I know. I like that.
That shit good. It tastes like shot.
Like chives?
Yeah. It's good. I never had no beer like that. My titty's sitting pretty, and you know that titty. That shit's sick. But yeah, y'all. Half of my friends are here. Yeah, you can out there.
Alright, right?
Yeah, that's pretty good. So y'all, oh y'all, I'm probably going. I'll be back in 5, 4, 3. Y'all get her. Kara's here. Your photo. Okay, y'all, I got my food. The steak with some king crab on top, mashed potatoes, broccoli. Everybody is slowly getting there. Alright, I'm about to go chow down. Yum, 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 yum. My cupcake!
They should have put a fucking fire light.
Oh, my bag. Where the bag at? So those are my cupcakes. Yeah, the 21. Said one of them. Hold on, be right back. Okay, you guys. So they're here. Yay, 20.
What is it, like salted caramel pretzels?
Almost 10 o'clock.
Okay, so y'all, it's 10 o'clock. We're running very behind. We're supposed to be at the studio at 9:30, and it's 10. It's yeah.
Weird
Me
as
too.
motherfuckers like that. I really want to go up with this bitch. Like, I really wanted to say hi.
What happened?
Fuck. Oh,
What happened?
you ain't just see that man. He literally was like, like, hi. I know you see situation. Okay. Hello. What's wrong with you? I don't know how
It's not-
you was in the
it's not-
camera,
yeah.
so you missed it. But
It's not good to stare. It's very rude. If you have something to say it. And yeah. But yeah, we're about to go to the liquor store. Where the fuck do you see Brody?
Across the street.
I'm blind.
The second one. Hey y'all. I'm Shakira. This thing a little heavy. This is my good side. I feel like this is my good side. I'm here for Bre'anna's birthday. My bitch since what? Sophomore, junior year. Yeah, all that. Bro locked in. And it's her 21st birthday. The baby turned 21st. And it's what? It's up. Just like how my skirt is up. It's up for her. Oh yeah. We leaving. We're gonna go to the studio. She probably already told you, but no, I'm telling you. And yeah, I'm dissing bitches because bitches is bummy. Bitches is dirty. Bitches don't got no goals, no way. Bitches know nothing. And niggas on the same shit. So therefore, I'm running my mouth. I'm running it. I'm running it. I don't know. I'm running it down. That's all I got to say. It's so pretty. Like, Baltimore might be ugly. I mean, it might be bad. But it's cute a little bit. Like, it's cute a little bit. There goes you.
I just say it's cool.
Pretty about niggas cut off. I do my fucking real vlogging. I did my makeup, yo. It's not that bad. Get the dumping. Yeah, whatever. Alright, I'm done.
Hold on. Y'all be waiting on the ride. All the bikes outside.
Just the blowing every which way.
Yes.
Bikes just the smoking every which way. Don't know what to do.
That'd be perfect. Yeah, I'll be there. Yo, there's been a lot going on. A lot of plans have changed. No studio.
Life be life.
We about to go to this place called Barcode. I wish you would focus.
It's actually called The Spot now, but we know it as Barcode.
But yeah, we've been sitting here in the car. They stopped us. We've been sitting here for a few minutes. We all got pee. Like, finally. Okay. So we're back on the booth. We should be there in
35 minutes.
Kidding. 11:09. They gonna copyright me in here. I don't even know what I did because the bottom of my feet not even that dirty, but my bro, the top, like the top of my big toe. Wait, hold on. Y'all, we're ending the night here. We found a cool little spot where we smoke, take some shots, have some fun near the water. And yeah, I might record a little bit on my phone. Yeah, we ain't gonna have too much fun near the water. No.
I'm about to take the braid. You know, you famous for that.
No, I don't. I would have said, excuse me, at least.
Or
if
she
I
would have
did.
moved over there. Like, we
No,
right
she
here.
would not.
Yeah, I would have just did it, but I would have said, excuse me, but it wasn't me. She said, wow. Yeah, it was not me. I'm not the culprit. Now y'all making me have too far. But yeah, I might record just a tad bit. I don't know. I don't think so. So good night.